from the consumer side, there are two specific things about millets. One is low glycemic index. What does this mean? Let's say any glucose containing food. So let's say I eat ice cream. Glycemic index will calculate the rise of my blood glucose level after eating ice cream. How much rise of blood glucose level has happened after eating ice cream? This is the question. If I am a diabetic person, the main problem of diabetes is the inability to control high blood glucose levels. So if I am a diabetic person, if I have a food like ice cream which has a high glycemic index, my body anyway cannot manage blood glucose levels. So I will eat ice cream, my blood glucose will shoot up and diabetes will create my problem. So I need foods that have low glycemic index. Low glycemic index foods can still be eaten by me because I don't want a high rise in terms of blood glucose level. It is not a sugar spike. It is a blood glucose level rise. They are two different things. The other term I want you to remember is they are gluten free. Now, gluten is something which is there in wheat. The ability of wheat to be crushed into atta and then be made into bread. The ability of wheat to be made into bread is due to gluten. But gluten is not very good for the human body. There are people who cannot process gluten properly, and if they eat gluten, they will get diseases. One of these diseases is called celiac disease. But gluten is not considered very good for the human body. That is why gluten-free diets are on the rise and millets are gluten-free. So they have much better, people who are needing gluten-free diets for their health, millets are a much better idea. Then they also have antioxidants. So this is also good for humans. Otherwise, the advantages of millets must be clear to you.